welcome to our Samuel Lowry Weaver Shop. My name is Laura, and today we're going to be learning about making moccasins. So moccasins are a very important craft as they taught children valuable skills that they were going to need later in life, such as sewing and mending clothing. This was a skill that both boys and girls needed to know how to do, and moccasins were very useful when stepping into snowshoes or stepping into a canoe. Moccasins were a First Nation clothing item that could be designed with beads to represent different parts of their cultures. Now, if you're ready, we'll get your supplies together and I'll teach you how to make them.
Place your bare foot on a piece of newspaper and trace around it. Draw a pattern around the traced foot similar to the one shown. Pin the pattern on the fabric, trace around it, and cut it out. Trace and cut a second one. If you want to decorate your flaps, now is the time to do so. You can draw designs with markers, embroider designs, or sew on beads. Fold the material in half with your designated flaps outwards. Use a running stitch to sew from your toes to the bottom of the flap, overlapping the stitches at the end. Flatten the bottom of your moccasin and sew the heel closed. Fold down the flaps around the top of the moccasin. You can use extra material or a thick piece of yarn to create a tie underneath the flap, securing your moccasins to your feet. Enjoy your new shoes!
Here are the moccasins that I've made. I hope you enjoyed following along and making your own moccasins and that they last you for years to come.